Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to do the turbo hustle using an easy method. We will begin by understanding the core rhythm and basic footwork, which is the foundation of this fun dance. You will learn to move your feet smoothly and confidently, ensuring you grasp each step before moving on. Our goal is to make this dance accessible and enjoyable for everyone, regardless of prior experience. Let's get started with the very first step. The basic step involves a simple 4-count pattern. Begin with your feet together, placing your weight on your left foot. Step your right foot forward, then bring your left foot to meet it. Next, step your right foot back and again, bring your left foot to meet it. This creates a forward together, back together motion. Practice this sequence slowly, ensuring your weight shifts naturally with each movement. Focus on maintaining a consistent, steady rhythm. Now, let's add some arm styling to enhance your turbo hustle. As your right foot steps forward, swing your left arm forward and vice versa. Keep your elbows slightly bent and your hands relaxed, allowing for natural, fluid motion. The arm movements should complement your footwork, adding energy and expression. Think of a gentle, rhythmic swing that flows with your body. This coordination will make your dance look more dynamic and complete. Finally, it's time to put all the elements together and truly flow with the turbo hustle. Integrate your basic footwork with the arm styling, ensuring a smooth and continuous motion. Practice regularly, perhaps for 10 to 15 minutes each day, to build muscle memory and confidence. Don't be afraid to add your own personal flair and slight variations once you feel comfortable. Remember, the goal is to enjoy the energetic rhythm and express yourself freely through this fun dance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.